This video will provide you with basic training on how to properly handle Clearview packaged products during loading and unloading to assure that a damage-free product gets to our customers. Clearview packaged products have the same damage resistance as corrugated packaged products and have several additional benefits, but they need to be handled differently. Here are a few guidelines for handling Clearview packaged products. Proper handling of side-by-sides requires that the depth that the clamps go into the product be carefully controlled. If the clamp goes in too far, the doors will be squeezed together and permanent damage will occur. Proper clamp handling requires that the attachment be square to the product. This is true for either Clearview or typical corrugated packaged products. This is the most common cause for splitting the corner post in the back of the product. Picking up with clamps out of square can also result in the product being dropped. Clamp attachments should always be used with the lift mast straight up and down. On many clamps, tilting can create a pinch point that severely damages products. If there is any question of damage to the top or the bottom of the product, stretch wrap allows easy checking of the product, leaving the package intact. Refrigerators must be handled from the back. Doors and hinges will be damaged if the product is handled from the side. If you see clamp indentations on the styrofoam covering the front of the doors, the product has been handled incorrectly and needs to be checked for damage. New clamp operators and drivers used to base load attachments must learn to stop the clamps when the product touches the floor. The package will be damaged and the film torn when the operator keeps pushing the attachment down after the product is on the floor. The package should never be dragged. Clearview packages can be repackaged with stretch wrap film. We recommend putting stretch wrap over the existing film when large tears occur in the film. Small tears in the plastic can be repaired with clear tape. Electrolux Clearview products can also be handled by forks, and by hand trucks. Clearview products should not be pushed into trailers or along the floor. This rips the film off the bottom of the product and often results in crushing products inside the trailer because the stopping point can't be judged. Refrigerators can be clamped top to bottom for cross-decked units. The clamp should go fully into the product, unlike the method of handling them from the back. Electrolux recommends removing decked units from the truck separately. If the floor and cross-decked units are taken out together, there is a risk of hitting the top of the trailer with the decked units and dock plate with the bottom. Railroad intermodal trailers have gussets that absolutely require loading and unloading decked units separately. Squeeze clamps must be checked with a gauge, not monitored by the pressure regulator on the truck. The maximum pressure that can be used is 2,000 pounds. Some lifts have multiple clamp pressure settings and all must be checked for maximum pressure. Both Clearview packages and corrugated packages can be handled with squeeze clamps and can be handled together without any problems. However, you cannot handle Clearview with a base load. Stacking of Clearview packaged products is safe and simple. Top mount products can be safely handled 3 at a time, even decked units. This increases efficiency in loading and unloading. There are some other benefits that you should know about. There is less waste in Clearview, and this is good for our environment. Clearview cartons are smaller and allow more units to ship on a truck, reducing transportation and delivery costs. Clearview cartons are more moisture resistant than corrugated cartons and will hold up better in humid climates. This concludes our presentation on Clearview package handling. If you have further questions, please contact us for more information.